Alright, this is the first part I sewed. I'll be cutting it, doing the same pleats again. Now this is how to do it. You turn it to the right side, okay? Alright, to pick from here, you move it down to this side. You see it has covered the sewn part. So now you drag and take it to your sewing machine. Then you sew from this downside, not up. So this is the second pleat. This is how I'll keep doing it till I achieve the number of pleats I want. Okay, I'll be making the third pleat same way. This is it. Then you take it to the machine. You sew it down. And when you're done, you trim off the excess fabric. Okay, you trim it off. And the next thing I'll be doing, you bring the other second strap. Then you'll be placing it like this. Please watch closely, you understand it. Place it like this. This edge here will be touching the end of this one, while this edge here will be touching the edge of this one. Okay, this is how I placed it. This edge here will be touching the edge of this, and this other edge will be this one will be coming downward like this. So now I'll take it to my machine. I'll sew it from this part here. Please make sure this edge touches it down. Then you sew down to this part. You bring your hand this way. Okay. Alright, our V is ready. Then you trim off the excess fabric. Trim it off carefully, not close to the thread, okay? Our V shape is ready. So we're keeping this one aside. We'll move to the next one, which is the ruffle turban cap. Alright, for the place I have my 45 inches, which is here. The 45 inches, which is this head circumference. You'll be measuring 2 inches away from the edge. Sorry, 1.5 inches. Then you mark with your chalk. I don't know if it's visible enough for you to see. 1.5 inches you mark down. Okay, then you come ahead, you come here, you measure 3 inches. Please note this, each of the pleats I'll be taking 3 inches depending on the size you want. If you want your ruffle to be very bold, you can take 5 inches. Okay, but if you want your ruffle to be somehow minimum, that is, you want the size to be minimum, you can take 3 inches or 4 inches depending on what you want. Okay, but for today's tutorial I'll be working with 3 inches for the ruffle. You mark it down to the end of the other fabric, down to the end. This chalk is not visible enough. I don't know if you can see it from here. 3 inches. After marking 3 inches, you come here, you mark 1 inch. 1 inch, just like that. 1 inch, just like that, till you get to the end of the fabric. Then you come again, you mark 3 inches. Okay, hope you get it. 3 inches. The chalk is even spoiling the fabric. You come here again, you mark 1 inch. You continue that way. 1 inch. You come again, you mark 3 inches till you get to the end of the fabric. Please, this mark part should be in the right side of your fabric. This is the wrong side of my fabric here. Here is the right side of my fabric. Okay, how will I sew it? Now, this this 1.5 inches will be meeting this one. Split, you remember here, this first one is 1.5 inches. Okay, this first one is 1.5 inches. So you'll be taking this line. This line will merge with this line, like this. This line here is a half inches, and here is the 1.5 inches, and here is the 3 inches. So the 1.5 inches will be merging together with this 3 inches, which is this way. Then you take it to your sewing machine. You sew from this end down to the other end. Okay, let me secure it first. Let me secure it first with my pin. Now this is the first part of my ruffle. I'll be having 1.5 inches left to attach my band. Okay, so you have nothing to do with this part. So this is the 3 inches which I measured, and the next one, remember, this is 1 inch. This is 1 inch. The 1 inch will be meeting the 3 inches like this. It will meet the 3 inches like this. Then you pin, or you take it down to your sewing machine and sew immediately. It will be meeting with this other one like this. You continue that way, and remember the next one is 1 inch. 1 inch will be meeting these 3 inches, which is like this. Then you pin, you secure it with your pin, or you sew it down straight. Okay, straight down to your fabric. And the other 1 inch will be meeting these 3 inches. Hope you got what I said. this 1 inch now will be meeting these 3 inches, and the number of pleats I should have, I think it should be like 12 or 13 pleats depending on what you want. So this is what I will be doing till I get to the end of the fabric. Okay, stay tuned.